So after I called a repairman, and he quoted me a price of $230 to come visit me at my house, I was like, I ain't having it. I ain't paying nobody $230 for a service call to come by my house, and don't you do it. Okay, if you ever had a problem with your central vac, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. This is our central vac in our home, and it has this hose here, and you basically just plug it up in this little outlet here. So you plug it up in there. You gotta have a power cord here. You just hit this little switch, and it's really cool, and it will usually just come right on, but it's not coming on. And I have lived through this for way too long. I don't even tell you how long I put up with this, but this morning I woke up with a revelation on how to fix it. And I'm gonna share with you on how to fix it. Okay, check this out. I'm gonna show you what you need to do. First and foremost, take a picture of any appliance in your home and put it on Perplexity, the app, AI app that I use, and it will tell you exactly what you need to do. So here's what I discovered. It's right here. This is the central vac unit. Has a little can at the bottom, all the information, manufacturing, all this. But through Perplexity, I discovered that on this unit, there's what's called a low voltage wire. And I'm thinking, well, it's just a plug right here. And I didn't know this until I put it in AI or Perplexity. And so on the side of this unit, there's what is called a low voltage wire. That yellow wire is a low voltage wire. And if you look closely, this low voltage wire was disconnected from my rummaging through my garage, and I evidently pulled it out of the section. So all I'm gonna do, it's just like a speaker wire. I'm gonna push this little gadget here. Hopefully you can see this. I'm gonna push this in and put this wire back in. So now I just put both the wires back in, and we're gonna go in and test the vac. So now you can see the wires are back in. Pretty simple. Walk back in here and see if my central vac will work, since I have become empowered through AI and technology, and I won't have to spend $230 for a service call for someone else to do this. Let's see if this works. What the word? My goodness. It's working, honey. It's working. Well, there you have it. Don't spend $230 to have anybody come to your house to fix your vacuum. Just pay attention, utilize the tools that are available, and keep your money in your pocket and invest it. I'm getting ready to go and buy me some more stock with that $230 in Palantir stock. Big. I'm long on Palantir, in other words. Visit me at LeslieDRichardson.com. Find out more about what's happening on this side, and I'll talk to you later.